Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Simple English Corner. What's your name? My name is Bianca. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? I am from America. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What do you do? I am a software engineer. Where do you work? I work at Google. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Do you have children? Yes, I have 2 children. What are your hobbies? I like reading and cooking. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is burger. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you like to watch movies? Yes, I enjoy watching movies. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Home Alone. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I exercise every day. What kind of music do you like? I like classical music. Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading books. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is cricket. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play badminton. Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping. Where do you live? I live in Texas. Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Do you like coffee or tea? I like tea. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Can you play a musical instrument? No, I can't play any instruments. Do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Do you like sweets? Yes, I love sweets. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I have a best friend. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is lemonade. Do you like gardening? Yes, I enjoy gardening. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. What's your favorite flower? My favorite flower is rose. Do you use social media? Yes, I use social media. Do you like to sing? Yes, I like to sing. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Do you have a smartphone? Yes, I have a smartphone. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. Do you like to paint? Yes, I like to paint. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is the beach. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.